Differences between broad question and narrow question. Broad question versus narrow question. Broad question have no answer or many possible answer, whereas narrow question have one or more specific answer. The nature of broad question is general, whereas the nature of narrow question is specific. Broad question can't satisfy research goals, whereas narrow question can satisfy most research goals. Acceptable broad questions have multiple acceptable answer, whereas narrow questions have one acceptable answer. Broad research question may encompasses an unaffordable extensive topic, whereas narrow research question may not encompasses an unaffordable extensive topic. If your research question is too narrow, you can broaden it by generalizing or expanding one or more of the PICO elements such as population, intervention, comparison and outcome, and also include a wider range of participants, settings or conditions that are representative of your research problem, and explore different methods, techniques or strategies that are related to your research objectives. Whereas, if your question is too broad, you can narrow it by specifying one or more of the elements of PICO such as population, intervention, comparison and outcome. Using broad questions can help us to form better hypotheses, analyze results and form new questions, and enhance research quality and good starting point for research development. Whereas, using narrow questions can help us to narrow the study based on specific, focused and answerable research questions, which can help us to provide a clear and concise direction for research and also help us to ensure the study is suitable and feasible. It is important to note that PICO framework is abbreviated to population, intervention, comparison and outcome, and can be a useful tool when assessing research questions and help us to identify and evaluate the key elements of questions being studied. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.